And they don't have to put on any witnesses because the prosecution has the burden of proof and they have to prove it beyond a reasonable doubt. But from the prosecution standpoint, Cassie Ventura, Diddy's ex-girlfriend, was their star witness. If the jury believe her, then they will ultimately determine that he is guilty of sex trafficking of her.
You said that, the defense, rightly so, does not have to put on a case. This really is, the burden is on the prosecution. Was it any surprise to you that Sean Combs did not take the stand, that they did not bring in any other witnesses, but used only cross-examination really to tell the story from their perspective?
An attorney can advise his clients whether or not to take the witness stand, and ultimately it's Diddy's decision. But it was a very smart decision from the defense standpoint, because here's why. Once Diddy takes the witness stand and testifies, that opens the door for the prosecution now to come in and cross-examine him and ask him all types of questions, and that opens the door to a lot of things.
There's been a lot of talk about this case and the racketeering part of this case, racketeering conspiracy. Is that a very difficult charge to get a conviction on? A lot of prosecutors, I think, have struggled with this charge.
In regards to all the charges, the sex trafficking, the transportation across state lines, and the RICO is the hardest charge for the prosecution, but also the strongest penalty, because if convicted, he can go to life in prison for the RICO charge.